Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Umidigi S2 Lite, at first you have to open notification bar, click on Bluetooth, then click and hold this icon, and then you have to click to pair new device. Right now I will pair these buds, so I will open charging case, and of course we got here also other devices, so if you want to connect to one of them, you have to simply tap on the device, but I'm going to pair with my buds, so just wait until they pops on the list. And here it is, so simply click. Okay, as you can see, it takes too much time. I don't know what is going on, maybe some kind of debug. So let's go back, close the case, click to pair new device, and open it another time. Okay, as you can see, it was some kind of debug because they are actually connected, so you know, it's not very expensive smartphone, so that can happen, but that's how we can connect Bluetooth device to your Umidigi S2 Lite. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!